Here I have Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad, and let's use the first secret code. So let me check the main version of the device. Let's use this code *# 12580 *369#. As you can see, the main version just pops up. Here you can read the AP, CP, CSC and other important stuff. So let me go back. Now it's time to check the test mode. Let's use this code *# 7353 and hash. As you can see, a test mode pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options, and you can test all hardware features such as the melody, vibration, speaker, diming, and other stuff such as camera, front camera, Bluetooth, dot mode, and sensors. Let's go back. Now let's open another testing menu. So let's use *# 0 *#. And as you can see, the following menu pops up. Here you can test the colors of the screen, the red, green, blue. You may test the receiver, also vibration and other stuff such as the sensor, touch, sub key, speaker, low frequency, and a lot of more. Let's go back. So here you can also check the service mode. Let me just quit the testing menu. Alright, let's open the service mode by inputting *# 0011#. Service mode pops up. Here you can use more key and use these options or read the following specification. Let me quit the service mode. This time let's open the advanced service menu. Sometimes this code works on your device. Let's check it. Let's input *# 2683662 and hash. As you can see, this is the advanced service mode. Alright, you can also go back. Let's check out the battery status mode. Let's input *# 0228 and hash. Here we've got the battery status. You can read a couple of useful information about your battery. Let's go back. Now let's open the USB settings mode. So let's input *# 0808 and hash. The USB settings pops up. Here you can change some mode of your USB, and you can also check the advanced firmware version. Let's use *# 2663 and hash. So this is the firmware version of your device. Let me go back and let's check the camera firmware standard. So let's use the following code *# 741 2365 and star. Sometimes this code works, so it's worth to check if it's correct. Let me just choose the following one. Alright, so this device doesn't support the camera firmware checking. And also at the end, let me show you how to check the email number by using the secret code. So you need to use *# 06#, and the email number just pops up in front of you. Here you can also read the serial number. Tap OK to confirm it, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.